Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning. This is group assignment BSR 553 Building Design and Refurbishment. Refurbishment of Tadika in Taman Asuhan Kanak-Kanak UiTM Shah. Prepare for SR 1 Zuria 1 Ismail.
This slide prepared by Nur Izzatul Nabila Ayu binti AJ Abdul Halim, Nurul Hashimah binti Salama, Liliana binti Om, Muhammad Syaril bin Muhammad, Nur Hazwana Nabila binti Muhammad Desa, dan Mi Syifa Syahira binti Muhammad Sandy.
Assalamualaikum. My name Nurul Hashimah binti Salama. I will present about introduction and safety precautions. Introduction for project background. Tadika and Taman Asuhan Kanak-Kanak University Technology Mara was located at UiTM Shah. This building has been built on yearly 15 August 1978. The refurbishment of this building include exterior and interior space. The area of building is remaining as the existing. For after refurbishment Tadika Taman Asuhan Kanak-Kanak term, green and simple is concept that was being used for the interior building. Green architecture was best nature environment while children can know about sustainable of building. The building is made of a continuous narrow strip with two side operable windows which maximize the cross ventilation and natural lighting. For target market, first parents children. They really need their children get more experience and more comfort to study. Second, UiTM staff. And third, public. For location plan, it is located at Tadika dan Taman Asuhan Kanak-Kanak, University Technology Mara, 40450 Shah Alam, Selangor, Darul Ehsan. This is the location case study, location plan, key plan, and site plan.
Assalamualaikum. My name Nur Izzatul Nabila Ayu and I will present about site analysis. Strength, weakness, opportunities and threat analysis is one of the tools that used in strategic planning in construction companies to evaluate the strength, weakness, opportunities and threat involved in determining the particular target market. It is important to be analyzed in order to know the feasibility of. First, strength. Tadika in Taman Asuhan Kanak-Kanak UiTM has too many partition. The partition have to create a lot of spaces that give a lot of function to use. For example, classroom for certain age, canteen, management office, playroom and many more. The architectural style that resemble the castle design attract children to come to the place. It is because the design seems like playground to them. Next, weakness. First, lack of parking. The parking lot provided is not enough for staff but also for parents to park. It is because most space is not being used as efficiently as possible and there is no careful planning until parking space is made available. Second, the road to access the building is limited to certain number of cars that cause the traffic jam during peak hour. Due to safety reasons, children are to be picked only in front of the waiting area, which is guarded by the teachers. Next, opportunities. First, building is located in the UiTM Shah Alam, which automatically will alert the visitors or parents that come into the university. Also, there is a swimming pool for UiTM students located next to the Tadika in Taman Asuhan Kanak-Kanak UiTM. There is a UiTM police headquarters located near the building which will provide an immediate help when needed without any delay. Moreover, the other facilities provided is dump trash that can ease the pupil to use it. And last, threat. Wild animals that may pose threat to the children such as wild monkey, wild dogs and snakes. The building is located beside the dangerous road which is steep road. The road is quite steep which let the vehicle using the road move faster than usual and thus will pose a great danger to the children.
For safety precautions, they have safety with safety training, minimize and manage risk, set security, safe walk method assessment, provide personal protective equipment, and many others.
For Project Brave, title of the project is Refurbishment of Tadika and Taman Asuhan Kanak-Kanak University Technology Mara, Shah Alam for our client. This project is construct to refurbishment internal and external of the building with a budget of construction is 3,219,075 ringgit Malaysia, including the ongoing cost which is during construction, operation and running costs, demolition work costs, and new work costs.
This is for safety and healthy signboard.
Hello, I'm Shifa Shaira and I will present about building material and specification. For building specification, they have six types, which is wall, floor, ceiling, window, door, and stair. For wall, they have three elements, which is external wall, internal wall, and internal wall finishes, and they have three types, which is brick wall, glass wall, and plaster and paint. Next, for floor, they use timber flooring for internal floor finishes. Then, for ceiling, they use gypsum board for internal ceiling finishes. Next, for window, they use single glass panel complete with window frame glazing as specified, and for stair, they use single flight stair. Then, for door, they use double left flash door, double left glass door, sliding panel glass door, and single left flash door. For double left flash door, they have two sizes, which is 1800 and 1700. For single left flash door, they have two types too, which is 750 and 650. This slide shows the material specification. They have 19 types and have a different brand and material used. For mechanical and electrical specifications, they have lighting system, air conditioning unit, and fire protection system. For lighting system, they use resort light used for special area, then fluorescent lamp because it's more efficiently, and pendant light because it is a light fixture that can be exhausted by itself. Next, for air conditioning system, they have two types, which is split unit and your ceiling cassette type A and C. Then for fire protection system, we apply water sprinkler, hose rail system, fire hydrant, smoke detector, fire exit sign, and fire alarm. For vegetation, they have three types of tree, which is soil spotted tree, decorative, and grassy and vegetated.
For the next slide is about the building purpose. From the building purpose, we can see the bubble diagram, site plan, and roof plan. From the bubble diagram, it's easy to us to find the others room. From the main entrance to living space, have 5 ways to going different room. Firstly, going to the room prayer. Secondly, going to the reception, sport science children, mind-blowing game children, and general care room. Going to the classroom, storage room, and bedroom. And thirdly, going to teacher's room. Fourthly, going to the dining child room and also the kitchen. And lastly, going to the 4 classroom, library, storage student, and 2 toilet for girl and boys. And going to the fun child. And for the site plan, we can see on the rooftop is green, and at the rooftop have a canopy, table and seat, and also the plant. On the playground, we can see the playground of the children. For the next building purpose is about the ground floor plan and first floor plan. This is the original of the plan of this building. And for the SketchUp or 3D, this is after the refurbishment of this building. From the first SketchUp, we can see that's the difference of the functions from the original plan. It have a demolished wall and also have an additional wall. We can see at the classroom. The classroom was used a glass wall, and for the teacher's room have an additional wall for toilet and bathroom. And second SketchUp is about the dining room child. It's different from the plan. It is because the size of the dining room was changed because some of the wall was demolished. For the third SketchUp, have an additional room, additional wall for make one room. And for the classroom 1 and classroom 2 at the original plan, the wall was demolished to do one room for the libraries. And we can see the toilet also the different because the toilet from the original plan was demolished and only 2 toilet was used, but it's different location because for the girls and boys. For the fourth of the SketchUp, this is for the first floor plan. It is no more change of the functions, only at the mini meeting room change to the glass wall room. Next building purpose is this the front elevation, left elevation, rear elevation, and right elevation of this building. And this is section XX and section YY for this building. This is a perspective for this building. From this perspective, we can see a different color of this building. And we can see the surrounding of the building where the location of the car park and the location of the playground. This color used because to show this building is simple and green only.
Next slide is about new works. This slide shows the work that had to be done at the kindergarten UiTM Shah. For the new works, we can see we have to job at the internal wall and external wall. For the external wall, we have a window, doors, and the total collection for the bills one is 30,615. And for the second bills, new works show the doors, internal floor finisher, internal ceiling finisher, and internal wall finisher. And for the last bill for new works, we have external wall finisher, external floor finisher, fitting, and furnishing. And the total bill to collection is 28,900.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Hazwana Nabila binti Muhammad Isa. I would like to present about demolition work. Here there is 4 type of demolish work. Example is the first one is demolish existing brick wall complete with finishes and all other necessary works, including make good all works for making 2 toilet. Demolish existing building wall complete with finishes and all other necessary works, including make good all works for making bathroom. Then take down existing wall finishes and all other necessary work, including make good all works, disturb and lot all disturb and lot, and cut away debris classroom to make library. Scrap off existing wall paint and all necessary related works and make good all works disturb. Then take down existing wall finishes and all other necessary work, including make good all works disturb and lot, and cart away debris to contractor dump site. And at the other page, demolition work for a hack of existing wall, toilet, and all other necessary works, including make good at work disturb and lot, and cut away all debris to contractor dump site. It bring cost amount Rm 10,000. Take down existing wall finishes and all other necessary works, including make good at work disturb and lot, and cut away debris to contractor dump site. And then demolish existing fibrous plaster ceiling and all other necessary works, including make good at work disturb and lot, and cart away all debris to contractor dump site. Then dismantle existing single leaf timber casement door complete with frame and ironmongery, and make good all work disturb. Lastly, dismantle existing window complete with frame and ironmongery, and make good all work disturb.
Next, total grant summary. Total for grant summary is 3,219,075 ringgit Malaysia. As conclusion, from the original Tadika and Taman Asuhan Kanak-Kanak UiTM Shah Alam, we found that the building needs to be refurbished to upgrade the function and aesthetic value of building. The building needs some repairs, include exterior and interior. The function of building also need to be changed relate to the surrounding of the place.